Hello, I'm gonna do a quick video. So I'm not done yet. I'm still setting up my batteries, but you can see them already packed up, and you can see that huge cable you see is what we are going to be plugging into our dear beautiful inverter. This is it, and it's going to be plugged into that, and then that inverter will be connected to these batteries. But look at this beauty. Anyway, this battery drops, that wire rather, drops out here, snaking through these gray pipes here. And here is a lazy guy who worked on laying this pipe, and there is this lazy assistant lay the gray pipes all the way down from in there, put that pipe through this thing. Those pipes are really heavy. Those cables rather, they are super heavy. So we put that in here, running all the way. Forgive the trash and all the mess here, but yeah, and that is making all the way into that generator house. That's where we have the changeover. From the changeover, then we are going to bury this same pipe. Tomorrow's job for him is going to be repeating, basically doing the same thing he just did here, putting a cable from there to the building. And that's how the building looks like now, if you're wondering. And this is how solar installation looks like so far. All right.